Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8 external temperature. This is video 60 in my series of XK8 videos. In this video I'm going to show you very simply how to get the external temperature reading inside the car and how it gets that reading and how it works, and a little bit from the manual. If you're interested in Jaguar XK8, I might suggest you subscribe to this channel, which is exclusive about Jaguar XK8 X100s. Do that by pressing the red subscribe button on the channel. Click the bell if you want to be reminded of when the videos are first released, and I'd appreciate if you could press the thumbs up button to say you like the video, or thumbs down to say you didn't like it. If you have any questions or comments, please do so at the bottom. So if you're driving along and you'd like to see the external temperature or see how hot it is outside, you need to go to the center console and to the air conditioning readout, and there's a button EXT, that's short for external, and if you press that it'll switch to the external temperature. You can switch that to Fahrenheit, both internally and externally, and it will flip back automatically to the internal temperature and flick it back to centigrade. There you go, how to find or how to get the external temperature. Okay, probably everybody knows that, or most people know it, but do you know there are actually two options available for displaying the external temperature? The first option is, as I've shown already, just press the external button and it provides the display for about 4 seconds, but annoyingly it'll disappear. There is a second option, which is to press and hold the button until it beeps twice. Once you hear the two beeps, it provides a continuous display of the external temperature until you press the button again. So that's probably one that not everybody knows, because not everybody reads the manual. A bit about how the temperature reading comes about. So it is taken from an ambient air temperature sensor at the front of the car. The sensor is a thermistor, which changes electrical resistance in response to changes in air temperature, converting the air temperature rating to an electrical signal. The ambient temperature sensor measures the external air temperature and is mounted on the right-hand horn bracket, which is located on the front bumper beam. I'll show you at the end where it actually is located on the vehicle. The signal from the ambient temperature allows the ACCM, or Air Conditioning Control Module, to compensate for ambient conditions and to display the information on the control panel, and it's updated every 4 seconds. It's not instantaneous. The sensor response is damped by the Air Conditioning Control Module, and therefore does not appear to react to temperature changes as quickly as the other sensors. This isn't a fault, this is the way it's supposed to work. This feature prevents the effects of sudden changes of air outlet temperature due to factors such as recirculating air from the engine cooling pack at low vehicle speed, say coming to a stop. These V8 engines have a lot of heat coming off them, and that could affect the air temperature reading, and the sudden changes in ambient temperature and the effects of water splash. So here we go. This is where it's located. It's located just under the reinforcement beam in the front bumper, behind the mesh if you've got an XKR, or underneath the silver vein if you've got an XK8. And it's on the right hand side of the car, as you can see there. Okay, hopefully you've found that useful. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you don't. Please share the video, please add comments and questions, and please subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.